Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another morning live. How are we all doing? Oh, it's so lovely to see the people in the house. So, I'm going to say good morning to the wonderful, beautiful Emma. Good morning to the gorgeous Joanna. Good morning to FAEC. It's so amazing to see you. It's absolutely amazing. So, we've been doing this for weeks and weeks, and I'm just so glad that we are all dedicated to our improvement. We are all dedicated to ourselves. I've been listening to Tony Robbins this week. He's been doing this great week of a free kind of support thing that he does, And he was talking about if you want progress, if you want to be happy and content, that you invest more in yourself than in anything else. And I found that really, 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 really interesting and powerful, that if we invest in ourselves, so if we had money, instead of buying something with it, buying a business or buying something, he said, and so did Warren Buffett and all these other rich people, talked about if I had nothing, but I had some money, I would invest in myself. And so I thought I'd come to you all and say, well done, guys, because that's what we're doing here. We're investing in ourselves, because when you invest in yourselves, it's forever, it's for life. And then you can then turn that around and become and do whatever it is that you wish with it. So I just want to welcome you all. Thank you all for coming in again. We're all doing this together. I get a lot from this just as much as you all do. We're feeding each other. We're being a family. So welcome. So guys, if you've never seen me before, who am I? My name is JB Rose. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. And wherever you're watching me, it's a holistic channel. So you'll see me doing food. You'll see me doing affirmations. You might even see me doing exercise, because we are whole. We are not different parts. We are one. So when we come together as one. We do everything. That's why we do breathing every morning. We do stretching every morning. And then we do sit and do affirmations, so we can pour into ourselves and pour some love into ourselves. Good morning, Alison. Great to see you. So, yeah, it's amazing that we're all here and that we're committed to ourselves here and on whatever social media. And if you see me on the replay, absolutely welcome. It's amazing that you're here. As I said, we are here to pour into ourselves. We are valuing ourselves, and we're doing that. We're taking what we have. Good morning, Rita. We're taking what we have and we are building on ourselves, because when we are strong, then when we go out there in the world, then we can do anything. And when there are circumstances or situations that come, we're good, because we have centered ourselves. We've poured into ourselves. We know our worth. We know that we are abundant. We know that we are peace. So it's amazing that you're all here. Sorry, again, I do my speeches at the beginning now. Anyway, and before I carry on, please like, subscribe, share. Please talk about please DM, not DM, but I always say DM. Please talk in the chat afterwards, so that algorithms and the people them, or the robots that look at these things, can then push it out to everybody, so grow our family, and that we can let everyone know what we do here. So please share, please comment. It's really, really valuable. If you haven't got anything, you don't feel you've got anything to say, that's all right. Just put a heart in there or something. It's good too. All right. So we've been doing this for, oh God, this makes 3 weeks, I think. Was it 2 weeks this year? But we've been doing this for a few months now. So I would always welcome you just to let me know, is it working? Is this bringing value to you? Coming here every morning, being dedicated to ourselves, breathing and centering ourselves, and then ready for the day. And is it building your whatever it is that you are hoping to welcome into your life? Anyway, let's just get on with some warm-ups because that's what we do. So first of all, let's do some nice deep breathing. So take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh. Take a deep breath in again. Through the nose, fill up the tummy and sigh. Take a deep breath in again. Through the nose and sigh. One more. Take a deep breath in. Through the nose and sigh. Lovely. Now we're just going to roll our heads. Oh, I've jumped away from the breathing, you know. This is how I feel. We're just going to move our heads this way and then that way. And then we're going to go right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left, middle, right, middle, left, and back. Back, middle, down, middle, back, middle, down. We're going to take our hands. We're just going to stretch our necks. We're not going to pull it. We're just going to let the weight of our hands stretch it. And we're going to do the other side. Same thing. Lovely. We're going to roll our shoulders back. And we're going to bring them forward. Lovely. And then we're just going to do this. And we're going to stretch to the side. Feel that stretch. Come to the middle. And we're going to stretch to the other side. Feel that stretch. And we're going to just shake up our body. Lovely, jubbly, jubbly, lovely. Now we're going to do the other breathing exercise. Good morning, Emma. Hey, good to see you. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Take a deep breath in for the count of 3. Hold for 7. And we're going to breathe out on a shh for the count of 8. We are energizing our cells in our bodies. Here we go. Take a deep breath. In, 2, 3, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. 2, 3, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, Bev. Take another deep breath in. 2, 3, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out on a shh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, well done. That's brilliant. I'm hoping you're feeling energized. So let me just remind you, why are we here? I always like to do a little rundown of why we're here. We're here to transform. We're here to forgive the past. We're here to thrive. We're here to release pain. We're here to release suffering and release anything that is holding us back. Now we're going to be dealing with that one a bit more in a minute. And we are changing from the inside out. We are recognizing our inner power. This is our morning upliftment. And looking at this thing about changing from the inside out, no, releasing anything that's holding us back, I wanted us to talk a little bit about doubt. What is doubt? Well, doubt is 2 conflicting ideas fighting against each other. Yeah, that is doubt. That's what we are all suffering with, dealing with all the time. Yeah, but how do we release doubt? Well, we have to list, what I want you to think about is all the conflicting ideas that you have in your head. You know, I can do it, but I'm not good enough. I want to do this course, but I need these qualifications. The doubts, the conflict. So it's all about perception, doubt, how you perceive a situation, how you perceive yourself in that situation. You know, if you look looking at something, like you're looking at me, but if you stood over there and looked at me at the screen, you'd have a different point of view. If you stood over there and looked at the screen, you'd have a different point of view. If you stood behind your screen, you'd have a different perspective. So when we are looking at something, and we have these doubts, these conflicting ideas, I want you to think about, what if I got up and changed the situation? And I'm saying that metaphorically. I'm saying that. So if there is something that you have doubt in, see if you can change your perspective on it, change where you are looking at it from. Talk to somebody about it. Because often that perception of doubt is distorted. And that's exactly what we're dealing with here all the time, which is that we are always having a distorted perspective of ourselves in this world, because we are simply peace, we are love, we are here to thrive, we are here to be abundant. That's it, simply, that's it. To be abundant, to be to reach our potential and succeed, and over succeed, what's that word? I say it every morning now, I've forgotten it. And and supersede even what you perceive. Yeah. But doubt is the thing that's distorting that, where you're going. All right. So I want you to be aware of that and think about all the things that are pushing and pulling you, that have this conflicting process on you, called doubt. And then look at it and then think about it as a distortion, because you can do anything, you can go anywhere, you can have anything. And as I said earlier, when I first came in, I've been watching Tony Robbins. He's doing a thing called Unshakable, or is it Unbreakable? One of the two. It's free, so go online, book, go and watch the catch up. And it's amazing, because this morning, yesterday, he was talking about that if you have anything, or you feel you only have a little bit of anything, take that something and pour into yourself. And that's what we're doing here, because that's a lifetime thing. Once you've built yourself up, poured into yourself, taken your money, learn about the thing that you need to learn about so that you can do the thing that you love, that's it. You got it for life, and then you can build on it. So that's my thing today. I just wanted us to talk about that. Doubt, change it by perspective, and well done for pouring into yourself. It's amazing, guys. Okay. And I wanted you to think about this while when I go off, because we've been talking about doubt, and we're going to do our affirmations. Yeah. And once we finish doing this affirmation song, you're going to sit quietly. And then what I want you to do is to apologize for the doubt. Let it go. Apologize to yourself and say, I doubt myself, and I let that go, and I apologize, because I am everything. I am abundant. Yeah. And you just change your perspective. You're loving on yourself. Yeah. Apologize for doubt and doubting yourself, and forgive it, the doubt that you have for yourself. And then just sit quietly and smile from the inside. Okay. So that's what I want us to think about today. So take some nice deep breaths in. And when I finish the affirmation, as I always say, I'm just going to stop. I'm going to go, and then you're going to be there quietly with yourself. This lovely. I miss you too, Rita. I miss you too. And then you're just going to breathe, and you're going to just sit, and you're going to forgive the doubt, and you're going to congratulate yourself for pouring into yourself, that you are putting yourself first in these moments every single morning. All right. So guys, well done. Yeah. In fact, can you just say well done to me in the chat? Well done to me. Yeah. Just well done to you, as in yourself. I congratulate yourself for being amazing. Yeah. Just congratulate yourself. And now we're going to do our affirmations. I will see you all on Monday morning, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Here we go. Don't forget to subscribe and share.